I have this Celine here with me. CLN. Hi everybody, so we're here at SM. So I have this bag from Celine, but this is not a sponsored video. And so I'm gonna use this bag for my because we have to do some shopping today, so I'm gonna use this one. So this is the bag, and the price of this one is 2,299. And what I love about this bag, I can put all my vlogging gears inside, like the cameras, because I use cell phone in my vlogging. And then this one, we're gonna pull this out. I have a lot of stuff here, and then here we have to remove. And then this is what it looks like inside. This is how it looks like inside. So 1, 2, 3 compartments. And this is my bag. Before, this is from This is inside. I'm gonna, because this is new, I'm gonna use this one. So I'm unboxing here at this end. So I have the wallet. I'm gonna move it here. I'm gonna move it here. The wallet. And then it's already here. The lechon, the bag. My makeup. There's 1, 2. I can finish here. Also, the small compartment, there's also another one, and there's also a small wallet here if you have private money. So you can always, if you have dollars, you can put it here, hiding, so that your partners cannot see it. And then, okay, I have my cell phone is there, so I only bring one cell phone today. That's all for now, and then we're going to look for a Christmas tree today. So this bag is from Celine. That for me. Okay. We're going to look for a Christmas tree today.
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.